Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. Number 20, we can do about factorization. Next, we have the formula in here. A minus B multiplied by A plus B equals to A square minus B square. Because I want to cancel about the square root, so we need to create about A square minus B square. But this one that is about A minus B. So we need to multiply by A plus B on numerator and denominator. So for this one, we can simplify and we have like this. Because the power 2 of the square root, that's why we have this one. Now we have the second formula in here. So this one that is about 8. This one that is about B. So we need to transform this one into this one. So t minus t we cancel. Delta t we simplify. Now delta t approach to number 0, so we put number 0 cone here, here, here. And now we have the final answer. So this one we have t square. This one we have t square. This one we have t to the power of 3. And now we simplify. So this one we have 3t to the power of 2. This one we have number 2 with the square root of t to the power of 3. So we know that this one that is about t to the power of 3 over 2. And now we can simplify the numbers in here. 20 divided by 2, we have number 10. Number 10 with number 3, we have 30. This one we have number 2 minus 3 over 2. And now we have t to the power of 1 over 2. Or we can put into the square root of t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.